In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate ClickUp and manage your account settings with ease. If you're looking to understand how to access and modify your workspace and account details, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Open your web browser and head to app.clickup.com. Once you're on the homepage, log into your account so you can access all the features we'll be walking through. ClickUp is a versatile productivity platform, and a quick tour of the key settings will help you work more confidently and efficiently. After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard. This is your home base. From here, let's locate your workspace. Your workspace is where all your projects and tasks live, and it serves as the backbone of your organization in ClickUp. On the left sidebar, look for the Workspace option and click it. Think of this area as your control center. It's where you'll jump into the right spaces, folders, and lists as you manage your work. Getting comfortable here makes everything else smoother. Next, let's fine-tune your setup by opening the settings. Look for the gear icon, typically on that same left-hand sidebar, and click it. This menu is where you tailor ClickUp to fit your needs. Things like default behaviors, preferences, and overall workspace configuration. Even a few small adjustments can make your day-to-day experience more streamlined. With settings open, navigate to billing. This section is important for keeping your subscription in good shape. Click the billing option to review your current plan, monitor usage, and update payment information if needed. It's a good habit to confirm that your payment details are current and that the plan you're on matches how you're actually using ClickUp. Staying on top of this helps avoid interruptions and keeps your team aligned with the right features. If you ever decide you no longer need your current plan, ClickUp makes cancellation straightforward. Within the billing section, locate the option to cancel plan. Clicking it will show an overview of your current plan and guide you through what happens next. When you're ready, confirm your decision to complete the cancellation. Take a moment to read any on-screen notes so you know how your access or data may be affected going forward. And that's it. You've navigated your workspace, explored settings, reviewed billing, and seen how to cancel a plan if needed. Understanding these areas keeps your projects organized and your account under control. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you feel more confident in ClickUp. Until next time, happy task managing.